Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Calm app. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Calm app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can